Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about ALGORAND price prediction and ALGORAND news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for ALGORAND in 2022. ALGORAND is a blockchain-based self-sustaining decentralized network that supports a wide range of applications. These systems are secure, scalable, and efficient, with all the critical features required for real-world application performance. ALGORAND supports calculations that require strong performance guarantees to create new forms of trust. The main network, mainnet ALGORAND, was launched in June 2019, and as of December 2020, could process almost 1 million transactions per day. Who created ALGORAND? Silvio Micali is a professor of computer science at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology and the founder of ALGORAND. He received the Turing Award in 2012 for fundamental contributions to the theory and practice of secure two-way computing, electronic money, cryptocurrencies, and blockchain protocols. Thus, he is one of the first creators of cryptocurrency in the world. ALGORAND. How the oil demand zone can give investors a breather. To start with, ALGORAND started to fall after Bitcoin was rejected at $39K. This came amid turmoil in global markets caused by increased fear in response to Russian actions in Eastern Europe. Some people argue that this is a buying opportunity, a big discount that could be the case, but there is a way for cryptocurrencies to dive deeper south than most people expect. On a short-term perspective, ALGORAND reversed $0.87 to the resistance level, with the Fibonacci extension level indicating room for a possible price bounce. Fibonacci retracement levels, yellow, were plotted based on the ALGO move from $1.1 to 76 cents in the second week of February. The psychological $1 level has been a strong resistance level for most of this month, and a few days ago the 87 cents horizontal level also became resistance. Generally, Fibonacci retracement levels are followed to a certain extent, which indicates the possibility that the 27.2% extension level could also lead to a temporary price spike for ALGO. At the time of writing, sales volume was significant and dominant. The market structure was also bearish. It was time to sell on the rebound and take profits on short positions at support levels. A few days ago MACD poked its nose above the zero line, but immediately dived sharply below the zero line in response to a surge of bearish momentum after the recent fear in the market. The directional movement index showed a strong downtrend, while the OBV confirmed that selling far exceeded buying. And to conclude with a little recap, the market structure was bearish, and the 72 cents 76 cents area could be used to short ALGORAND with a target of 67 cents for short-term trades. In the long term, ALGORAND has also been extremely bearish, but the $0.69 area has acted as a demand zone in May, June and July 2021. The USDT dominance was also 5%, a factor whose implications are important for the long term. Investors should be aware. Also, in addition to this news, you probably heard that ALGORAND is getting a bridge to Ethereum. The ALGORAND Foundation has awarded Applied Blockchain a grant to develop the London Bridge, a trustless bridge that will connect ALGORAND with Ethereum. In a press release shared with CryptoSlate, the foundation said that the bridge will also enable ALGORAND's integration blockchain to integrate with Filecoin and Interplanetary File System, IPFS. The next news, XRP vs SEC. Why court may reject SEC's motion over Hinman's speech. The XRP vs SEC Ripple lawsuit has come to a point from where it will be decided whether XRP is a security or not. The recently unsealed memos has played a crucial role in revealing that Ripple took legal recommendations over the nature of the XRP token. Meanwhile, the SEC has filed a motion for reconsideration of Hinman's June 2018 speech, which was earlier claimed to be a public guidance now being called a personal opinion. Ripple and Hinman consulted same law firm, as per reports Perkins & Qua. The law firm who wrote the legal memos for Ripple back in 2012 also assisted Hinman to draft his 2018 Ether is no longer a security speech. Attorney Jeremy Hogan has posted that after the Hinman speech Perkins & Qua website issued that other senior officials, and the chair of the SEC, are in a growing consensus. The issued blog talks about how the same instrument could transform back into a security, if the facts and circumstances changed yet again. On the very same day as Hinman's speech in San Francisco, Valerie Sepenick, the SEC's new senior advisor for digital assets and innovation, and Gary Goldschall, senior advisor to the director of trading and markets, corroborated Director Hinman's remarks while speaking at a panel event on Capitol Hill. Specifically, Goldschall reiterated Hinman's position that something can transform from a security to a non-security. The blog clearly reads that, on June 21, 2018, SEC Chairman Clayton provided further confirmation that the framework outlined in Hinman's speech is the approach SEC staff takes to evaluate whether a digital asset is a security, in testimony to the U.S. House of Representatives Financial Services Committee. Hinman's own opinion over ETH and BTC. Hinman in his speech has expressed his views that sales of Ether are not securities transactions based on the state of Ether, the Ethereum network, and its decentralized structure. While, in his view, Bitcoin also is not a security, because network participants are not reliant upon the efforts of a central third party. I do not see a central third party whose efforts are a key determining factor in the enterprise. The network on which Bitcoin functions is operational, and appears to have been decentralized for some time, perhaps from inception. Applying the disclosure regime of the federal securities laws to the offer and resale of Bitcoin would seem to add little value. Hinman said on his speech. However, Hinman has also said that the token or coin by itself is not a security. The packaging and sale of such token or coin could bring it within the purview of the securities laws. The SEC has been giving contradicting statements in the past and arguments in the court over the nature of the tokens. From personal opinion now being called to public guidance, Hinman's speech is full of contradictions and signals that maybe the agency was favoring some tokens over others. In principle, that's all. Now let's move on to a short and long-term forecast for this cryptocurrency. As always, at the end of the video, we will introduce you to the latest ALGO price forecast for 2022, 2025 and beyond. ALGORAND price prediction 2022. In 2022, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, the price of ALGORAND will skyrocket. The maximum trading price could reach $1.26 in 2022. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $1.10 with a maximum price of $1.26 for 2022. ALGORAND price forecast 2023. It appears that by 2023, ALGO prices will reach a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2023, we can expect the average rate to be $1.61. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that ALGORAND's maximum price could be up to $1.86 in 2023. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. ALGO rate prediction 2024. The value of ALGORAND will rise, thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2024 is bullish. ALGO is expected to reach a maximum rate of $2.72 by the end of 2024, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of ALGORAND will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of ALGO will be between $2.28 and $2.36 expected in 2024 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum price of ALGO ranges from $2.28 to $2.72 for 2024. ALGORAND price prediction 2025. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. ALGORAND could cross $3.99 if the market sees a nice bull run in 2025. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2025 will be around $3.53. ALGO price prediction 2026. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this forecasting platform, ALGORAND will remain at the current level for a very long